Welcome back to Investing with Ro. And tonight we're just going to jump into the entire cryptocurrency market, look at the Bitcoin price, what I think the Bitcoin price prediction is going to be in the short term, and also what my plan is in the short term going forward, because even though the markets are down, I do see an opportunity which I want to share with you. And yeah, let's jump into it. But before that, just this a full-on disclaimer: this is not financial advice, and it's only for entertainment purposes. For your information, I highly recommend, if there's any advice that I give you, is to do your own research before investing into any cryptocurrency, because it's very volatile. But let's jump into it. So the total market cap for cryptocurrency is down to about 1.7 trillion, and it's the lowest it's been in a couple of weeks now. I mean, you can look at, it's just a sea of red that's going on here. Bitcoin down to $38,000 and $38,324 to be exact, and it's the lowest it's been in a couple of weeks. So yeah, I feel that this is an opportunity to load up your bags. Definitely gonna pick up some cryptos and digital assets in at a discounted price. Also gonna show you now quickly something about Bitcoin here, but definitely gonna load up on my Solana, Terra Luna, Cardano, and Avalanche for sure, and also pick up some Matic here. And I always just try and keep my ratio, my crypto portfolio ratio, 50% Bitcoin, 25% Ethereum, and then the remaining 25% I split between those other cryptocurrencies. So if you look at the crypto fear and greed index, you can see we're in fear now here at 27, and what's we haven't been in the greed side of things for a very long time, and I really feel that I think that we are due to for a bit of a run up. We'll look at the charts and what the charts say, and I'll give my opinion. But yeah, yesterday we were in some extreme fear at 23, but today we're sitting at 27. If we look at the Bitcoin rainbow chart, and you can see this is just like I've mentioned before, it's the entire Bitcoin pattern since it basically started. And you can see here we were in a very long time, we were in the still cheap phase, and now we've gone over to accumulate. And that is my plan with Bitcoin. It's just I'm gonna accumulate. I have been accumulating every week, but now I'm just gonna pick it up and I'm gonna accumulate even more Bitcoin for whenever we reach that 100,000 maybe this year. We'll see what happens. So definitely I'm just gonna accumulate, keep it in the ratio of 50% Bitcoin, 25% Ethereum, and 25% rest of the other altcoins, which are like Solana, Ethereum, Solana, Cardano, Terra Luna, Matic, Avalanche. If we go over to the Bitcoin chart, and this, so there are two support lines for me that is crucial at this stage. It's definitely this horizontal support line right here, which was support there, support there, support there, support there. So this is probably the biggest support line for Bitcoin at the moment. It's sitting at about 30,000 US dollars, and I honestly, you can see here that I've got this technical target here, which I drew down from going to 30,000 US dollars. So we'll see if that happens, but whatever happens here, if we go all the way down to 30,000 US dollars, I'm just gonna keep on accumulating, because I mean, there we hit all-time high, we went down to 30,000 US dollars, and we just had one massive run up again there. And I wonder if we are not bound to go the same route. This is the entry levels for Elon Musk, for a lot of Michael Saylor's big time buying was in there. You can see the second support line was the one that I this ascending support line, which I drew here. And I mean, there we had a bit of fake out, there we had a fake out. I mean, we tested it there, and here, if you look at the daily, I mean, we are just, we it's still a bit too early to tell if it is a fake out or if it is a bit of a confirmation. If we look at the daily, definitely keeping an eye out for this. I did mention in my previous videos that if we cross that line, I'm gonna switch over to being a bit of bearish. Maybe if you're looking at some short positions, this will just get some confirmation within the next couple of days, to see if it's testing that, and if it cannot break past that support, keep that support levels, then definitely some shorts will, that's a good opportunity for a short position. We are at the 38,000 US dollar range. I definitely feel that accumulating anywhere from there, the 35,000 US dollars, 33,000 US dollars, and if we go as low as 30,000 US dollars, this is my range where I'm gonna just accumulate Bitcoin, keep it in the ratios that I said: 50% Bitcoin, 25% Ethereum, and 25% the rest. I do feel that we are bound for a run up, even if we go down to 30,000 US dollars. I do feel that this scenario, there's a scenario that will play out something like this, where we will just go up and the next run will start. We'll just have to wait and see what's going to happen. Just to also to take note of is on the weekly, no, it was the monthly chart, which I have spoken about, and I really hope that history can repeat itself, is the fact that we had these 3 red candles right here, before we had 2 green candles, another red candle, and a massive green candle. Here we had the 3 red candles, the 2 green candles similar to this pattern, a red candle, and hopefully, I mean, it's still 4 days, 5 days before month end closes, and yeah, I do hope that we can have this scenario play out, that history repeats itself. We'll just have to wait and see. I do feel that May is going to be a pretty good month. If you look at, I mean, it was right here since March when they had the run up, the big run up. May usually is quite a decent month, so yeah, let's wait and see what is gonna happen and how this is all gonna play out. But for now, I am a bit bearish on Bitcoin. My sentiment overall, in the long term, I am bullish. In the short term, I am bearish, if I can state it like that. I am in a Bitcoin accumulation phase where I just accumulate where I can. Yeah, save, invest yourself bankrupt. Basically, that's my approach, if I can say it like that. But definitely, this is my Bitcoin and overall cryptocurrency accumulation phase. I think that we are gonna have a red month, like we looked on what we saw on the monthly chart. Yeah, well, that's it for now. My approach is just to accumulate, even more than what I accumulated, and just hold. I'm a long-term investor. I do not want to sell any of my bags, and yeah, that's it for now. Thank you guys. I'll catch you on the next video.